Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me on another linguistic adventure. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of the English language to explore a word that's probably more familiar than you think. Our word of the day is catalogue. It's a C1 level noun meaning a list of items. So, what exactly is a catalogue? Well, simply put, a catalog is a complete list of items, typically arranged systematically, with descriptive details. Think of it as an organized inventory, a detailed inventory of goods or services offered by a business, or even a listing of items in a collection. It's used in a lot of situations. Now, let's explore how we can use catalog in our daily conversations. For example, I browsed through the furniture catalog looking for a new sofa. Or, the library has an extensive catalog of books available for loan. You might also hear someone say, the museum is preparing a catalog for its upcoming exhibition. See, it's not just about shopping. It's about organizing and presenting information. Now, let's delve into some synonyms for catalog. One similar word is list. A list is a simple, often unordered, enumeration of items. For example, I made a list of groceries I need to buy at the store. Another synonym is inventory. Inventory often refers to a detailed list of items held in stock, especially by a business. For instance, the store is conducting an inventory check to account for all the items in stock. Another great synonym is record. A record indicates a collection of data, sometimes specifically about items. For example, the company keeps a record of all its transactions. Another helpful synonym is register. A register is typically an official list or record of names, items, or events. For example, the hotel keeps a register of all the guests who have stayed there. Another synonym is directory. A directory typically lists names and addresses or contact information, often organized alphabetically. For example, I check the telephone directory to find the number of the local pizza restaurant. So, those are some pretty useful synonyms. Let's move on to antonyms. It's a bit tricky to find direct opposites for catalog, as it describes a comprehensive listing. However, we can consider words that imply a lack of organization or completeness. One such word is jumble. A jumble suggests a confused or disordered state. For example, my desk is a jumble of papers and pens. Another near antonym is disorder. Disorder implies a lack of systematic arrangement or organization. For instance, the room was in complete disorder after the party. We could also use mess. A mess describes a state of untidiness or confusion. For example, the kitchen was a mess after I finished baking. Another word with opposite implications is scatter. Scatter implies dispersing items haphazardly. For example, the wind caused the leaves to scatter across the yard. Another opposite concept is randomness. Randomness indicates a lack of any specific pattern or order. For example, the selection process was based on complete randomness. So, while not direct opposites, these words paint a picture of the absence of the organization inherent in a catalog. Now, let's bring it back to everyday life. Imagine you're planting a garden. You might consult a seed catalog to choose the flowers and vegetables you want to grow. Or perhaps you're redecorating your home. You might browse through furniture catalogs to find inspiration and compare prices. Even online shopping involves navigating through digital catalogs of products. Let's see a few more example sentences. The online retailer provides a detailed product catalog for its customers. The art gallery published a catalog to accompany the exhibition of contemporary sculptures. She spent hours poring over the vintage clothing catalog. The rare book collector meticulously maintains a catalog of his prized possessions. The botanist created a catalog of all the plant species found in the region. The university library's online catalog makes it easy to find research materials. The museum's Catalogue raisonné provides comprehensive information about the artist's entire body of work. We received a catalog in the mail advertising the latest fashion trends. The librarian updated the library's catalog with the newly acquired books. He found the item he wanted in the catalog and placed an order online. So to recap, a catalog is essentially a complete and organized list, whether it's of products, books, or even plants. Synonyms include list, inventory, record, register, and directory, while related antonyms include jumble, disorder, mess, scatter, and randomness. Knowing how to use Catalogue will certainly enrich your vocabulary and help you communicate more effectively. Thank you for joining me on Hello Word today. I hope you found this exploration of the word catalog helpful and insightful. Remember to subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others discover Hello Word and expand their own English vocabulary. And don't forget, create your own sentence using Catalogue and share it in the comments below. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Until next time, keep learning and keep exploring the wonderful world of words.